Twitter trends. Let's all be friends with my Twitter trends. Tuesday, February 24th. Today is Lent. If you don't know, there will be people walking around with something on their forehead that looks like dirt. I thought it was dirt for many years, but turns out it's not dirt. It's Lent Ash. Happy Lent Ash, everybody. Fat Tuesday, aka Mardi Gras. So go on and gras your Mardies. Ladies, shake your breasts, rub your titties. Yeah, I said it. Rub on your titties. Ash on your foreheads and titties in your face. Free IHOP. Go get your ass some free pancakes today, Tuesday. IHOP International Pancake Day. You celebrate pancakes. Safari 4 beta has become a topic of conversation. Cover flow, top sites, all kinds of great stuff going on with Safari. You know how Apple does things. Personally, I prefer Firefox. I might have to switch it up. See what this new Safari has to offer on Lent Pancake Day. And you know what else goes along with pancakes? Orange juice. Or at least it used to, until Tropicana want to go ahead and switch up to this ugly label. Do you guys see that? Yeah, the Twitter world is letting everybody know how ugly this label is. It's directly affecting my vitamin C intake because I refuse to drink this crap. I used to look to orange juice for a full day supply of vitamin C. Now I need a substitute. So just to recap here, we have Mardi Gras, we have IHOP. Apple's doing its thing with Safari. Tropicana sucks nowadays. That seems to be the trends for Tuesday, February 24th. Check out grownmantv.com for some more stuff. And as always, go to Twitter trends. Let's all be friends with my Twitter trends.